Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gaming video on CapCut PC. So select your clip or anything basically and select your video. I'm just going to select this random one, and then I am just going to copy and paste it, and on the second one I'm going to select select auto cutout. On the first one I'm going to select mask, and I'm going to select the circle shape. Just going to place it here, and on the second video I'm going to select circle again. I'm going to place it up here, select both the video and scale it down a little and place it either on the left side or on the right side of your screen. Then you are going to want to add in like a shadow or some sort. So add in like this black stock video. If it's not long enough, just freeze frame it like this. Go to mask and select circle and then place it where your thing is and just feather it out to create kind of like a shadow here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.